Up next is the bandwagon fallacy. And you've probably heard of a bandwagon before, likely with regards to sports teams. For example, when the Warriors started getting really good, suddenly they had a lot more fans, right? Because they had gotten really good. They got popular all of a sudden. Now, the bandwagon fallacy is actually a little bit different than that, but it has similar lines of thought. The bandwagon fallacy argues for a course of action or belief because it is commonly done or held. This is also sometimes called ad populum, which is an appeal to the popular. And it's essentially arguing that because something is popular, it is therefore good or desirable. And it's the classic argument that you probably made with one of your parents when you were a kid. Let's say, for example, that all of your friends were going to some party or sleepover over the weekend, and your parents wouldn't let you go. The argument that you likely made to your parent was, "But Mom, all my friends are going." And your mom likely said something to the effect of, "Well, if all of your friends were going to jump off a bridge, would you do that?" Your mom was dismantling your bandwagon fallacy. You were arguing that the party that you wanted to go to was good or desirable just because all of your friends were going. And your mom said just because all of your friends are doing something doesn't necessarily mean that that is a good thing. So this is a popular appeal, and it's frequently used, but it doesn't have strong warrants to support the arguments that are being made.